Hello, traders. FX Pip Collector here. Today is Friday, April 11th, and this is my analysis for the pound yen. If you haven't done so yet, definitely do check out my free Discord channel, which is linked down here in the corner at the end of the video, and take a look at my website, fxpipcollector.com. So anyways, the pound yen made a huge push up this week, did not break structure, and now it's continuing down. This move down does look very corrective, and it could bounce from a fib level and go up. The problem I'm having is that there's no proof whatsoever that the trend is going to go up because there has not been a break of structure to the upside. So what does that tell me? No break of structure means that the trend is still down, and it could easily just keep on going down. So unless you see a Fibonacci bounce with a nice engulfing move up with a nice break of structure that holds above structure, not a break of structure that just rejects structure and just keeps on going down, but a break of structure that holds, should tell us that this really would be the end of a correction, that it really is going back up. But unless you see this picture right here, nice break of structure that happens at a Fibonacci retracement level, then I wouldn't even think about going long. I potentially would just hold on to a short or continue to look for shorts because it could just keep on drifting down if it never gives you that break of structure at a Fibonacci level. So anyways, don't forget to join my free Discord group. And as always, thank you for watching and happy trading.